In this video I am going to create this login UI from scratch and I will guide you step by step in this tutorial. When you start typing on keyboard, you can see the screen automatically moves up. You can also see the screen is completely responsive and no overflow is there. So let's get started with this. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please hit like button and make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to press bell icon. First of all, import material package from Flutter library. Add the main function, that will be our main function we will be using, and run app and add the run app so we can use it in future to run our app. Create a stateless widget with the name of login UI. Add the login UI in the run app so that our stateless widget can run in future. Remove the container. Add the material app. Remove the debug banner by making it false. Add the title to our login app, Flutter login UI. Next we will add theme data. Here we will make our primary color. Our primary swatch color will make it default color. It is initially the default color that we are going to use. We are going to make it teal. Add the home scaffold. Have a look at the picture. We are going to add app bar with title in the center. Create the app bar widget. Make the center title true. Add title to our app bar. Make a text widget and add title. Login screen. Once you add a body widget, body container widget. Run the app. You can see the login screen app bar is in the center. Now let's create a new file, login screen. Import Flutter package. Create a stateless widget login screen. Go to main.file. Import our package login screen. Go to body container, remove the container. Add our widget that we added login screen in the login screen. Look at the picture. We need to add the padding from all edges. You can see here. Also we need to make a column and make whole widgets in the center. Go to the login screen, remove the container, add padding. For all the corners make it 30. So we have a value of 30. Now we will add the column. Inside the column we will add the children, different children's. Here we will add constant text. Here we will add text. I will write it Logify and give it some style. Text style, font size 50. After font size, I will give it font width of 900. Once I am adding it, now we will add the colors.teal. Now we will make the column widget in this center. So we will wrap the widget in center. So you can see the Logify text is in the center. Now let's add the sized box. What will the sized box do? It will add empty box of height 25 after our text. Here we will add text form fields. Add text form field where we can ask the user to input data. Keyboard type, we will add the keyboard type, text input type, dot email address. So we are asking the user to enter the email address. Now we will decorate our box. So what we will do, input decoration, we will label the text, enter your email or enter email. After that we will border our box. What we will do, border outline input border. So we need an icon before, so what we will do, prefix icon icons dot email. Once we save it and run it, you can see the icon has been added. Now copy the both size box and text fields. Edit the text field by replacing email address with the visible password. Now we will obscure our text by making it true. Now add the password, enter password. We need here lock icon. Once we add the lock icon, now we also need the eye button. So what we will do, suffix icon icons dot remove red eye. Save it. You can see the icon button has been added. Copy the size box, make the height of 5. Now we will add the row widget. Row children. In the row widget we will add text button. On press it will do nothing, so we will keep it empty. In the text field we will add forget password. To make it alignment to the end, we will add main axis alignment dot end. Add a const here. Again copy size box, make a height of 25. Now we will add container of height 60 with the width double dot infinity. Double dot infinity makes to the end of the screen. Now we will decorate our box. Border radius dot circular. So our radius will be circular for our button. Now what we will do, we will add the gradient color. So we will do linear gradient for this. Colors dot first we will do blue and then we will add the green color. Colors dot green. Save it and you can see the color and border has been added. Now we will add material button. In the material button we will make it empty for now by adding curly brackets. Now we will add some text to it. Child text login. Now we will add some style to our text. I will make the font size 25 and the color will be white, so it will be appear good. Now we will save it and you can see login has been added. Copy the size box with the height of 30. Now we will add the divider with the height of 30 and give it the colors dot black. You can see the divider has been added. Now copy the row of forget password and paste it. Now for this we will make in the center. For this we will, instead of max alignment dot end, we will use the max alignment dot center. Remove the text and add a register account here. Now we will add the text field. Don't have an account and give some style to it. Style, text style. We will use the colors dot black with the opacity of 0.7. You can see don't have an account, register account has been added. You can see there is an overflow. To avoid it, we will wrap our widget of column. We will wrap it with single child scroll view. It will cover the overflow. Copy it, save it and run it. You can see the overflow has been gone and app is working well. Let's add the finger icon. Before the divider we will add the const icons dot fingerprint. Make the size of 60 and give colors dot teal. Copy the sized box and make the height of 10. Run the app, you can see it working well. In the upcoming videos I am going to create all these 10 screens in Flutter. So make sure to hit like button and subscribe to our channel.